Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for GrabFood delivery bike. First, open the Grab Driver app and tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your details in the required fields, including your name, phone number, country, and city. Then continue to the next step. Now, select the delivery service you want to apply for. Depending on your location, you may see options such as food and beverages or groceries. Choose the one you want and continue. Next, select your vehicle type. If bike is available in your region, choose it from the list. After selecting bike, enter your bike details, such as the number plate, registration information, and any other vehicle details the app asks for. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on. After that, complete your personal information. Take clear photos of the front and back of your ID card and upload them. If the app requests any additional documents or information, provide them and follow the on-screen instructions until your application is complete. Once you submit your application, Grab will review your registration, which usually takes between 1 and 5 working days. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with temporary login credentials. Sign in using those credentials, create a permanent password, then change your status from pause to open. Once your status is set to open, you are ready to start accepting GrabFood delivery orders. Thanks for watching.